Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 4 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to factor out 4 to the power of 3 from this problem. So if I factor out 4 to the power of 3, I get 4 to the power of 3 times. Now 4 to the power of 3 divided by 4 to the power of 3 is simply 1, because anything divided by itself is 1. So same thing over here, 4 to the power of 3 divided by 4 to the power of 3 is 1. Same thing here, 1 and plus 1. So now we have 4 to the power of 3 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now, let's simplify what's in the parentheses. What's 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? 4. So now we have 4 to the power of 3 times 4. And this is equal to, well, whenever we're multiplying an exponent, let's say we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n. This is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So we can think of 4 as 4 to the power of 1. So 4 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of 1, this would equal 4 to the power of 3 plus 1. And 3 plus 1 is 4, so this would equal 4 to the power of 4. Now 4 to the power of 4 is the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So it's 4 times itself 4 times. Now 4 times 4 is 16. So this would equal, we have 16 here and 16 here. So 16 times 16, which is equal to 256. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this equation. So we have x plus x plus x is equal to x times x times x. Now what we're first going to do is we're going to simplify both sides. So let's first start by adding these three x's. X plus x, well that's 2x, and 2x plus x is 3x. So we have 3x is equal to, now x times x, well, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So we have x to the power of 1. All of these degrees are 1. So meaning x to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1, this would equal x to the power of 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so we have x squared. Now x squared times x to the power of 1 again, because we got to multiply with the other x, this would equal to x to the power of 2 plus 1, which is x cubed. So we have 3x is equal to x cubed. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by x. So for the left-hand side, these two cancel out, so I'd simply just have 3 is equal to, now if we have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So x to the power of 3 over x to the power of 1. This is equal to x to the power of 3 minus 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2, so this is equal to x squared. So we have 3 is equal to x squared. Now, we want to cancel this power out, so I'm actually going to take the square root on both sides, because remember, the root is the opposite of the power. So what I do to one side, I have to do the other side. So these two cancel out, and on our right-hand side, we simply have x is equal to the square root of 3. And the square root is actually a plus or minus. So this is actually a plus or minus square root of 3. This would be negative root 3 or positive root 3. So this is our answer.